Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Bluetooth gaming headset to an Xbox One. It's important to know that the Xbox One console itself does not natively support Bluetooth audio for headsets. This means you cannot directly pair a standard Bluetooth headset to the console. Instead, you'll typically connect your headset through the Xbox wireless controller using its 3.5mm audio jack, or by utilizing a specific wireless adapter designed for Xbox. Let's dive into the best methods. Many people wonder why their Bluetooth headset won't connect directly to their Xbox One. The primary reason is that Xbox consoles utilize a proprietary wireless protocol, not standard Bluetooth, for connecting accessories like controllers and official headsets. This specialized connection ensures low latency and high performance for gaming. Therefore, your Bluetooth gaming headset, while great for other devices, cannot directly pair with the console for audio. You'll need an intermediary solution to bridge this gap effectively. The most common way to connect a gaming headset is by plugging its 3.5mm audio cable directly into your Xbox wireless controller. This works for nearly all wired headsets. For wireless headsets, if it's an Xbox licensed model, it might come with its own USB dongle or connect directly using the Xbox wireless protocol. Alternatively, some PC-focused wireless headsets can connect to your Xbox One via an Xbox wireless adapter, which plugs into a USB port on your console. Beyond the controller and wireless adapter, some high-end gaming headsets offer alternative connection methods. Certain models can connect directly to your console using an optical audio cable, providing excellent sound quality. Additionally, a few USB headsets are specifically designed to be compatible with Xbox One, plugging directly into a USB port. Always review your headset's manual and product specifications to confirm its Xbox One compatibility and the recommended connection method for the best gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.